Hi boys and girls, it's Miss Nora. I'm here with another day of Writer's Workshop. So at Writer's Workshop, we learn how to write about things we want to write about. It can be anything we want. So it's easiest to start with things we love and things that are close to us, that's important to us, and things we love in our heart. So that's why we're doing our heart map. So far, we've talked about, you can write about pets that you have or animals you like. You can write about your family, or people you love, or people you like. All right, and so that's what our chart says. What can we write about? Pets or animals, family, friends, people we know, people we like, people we wish we could meet. We have activities, things we like to do, places we like to go. So today I'm gonna do places. And one of my most favorite places to go to is the beach. So I'm going to draw a picture, as best I can, down here in my heart, of the beach. So I need some waves for the ocean. I got some waves coming down here. I've got my waves for the ocean. What else do I need for the beach? I need some sand. I'm going to go ahead and do the sun because the beach is no fun without the sun. Without the sun out. So I'm going to add my sun. And we want it to have beautiful blue sky. So I'm going to add that up here at the top. We don't want lots of clouds at the beach because we don't want it to be cloudy. Alright, so your sand, you can do, white's not going to show up on white. So I could do yellow or I could do brown. So since I already did yellow for the sun, I'm going to add some brown here for the beach, for the sand. Alright, what else could I add that we might find on the beach? Maybe some palm trees, okay? So I'm going to add a palm tree here and here. And I'm going to go back and add some green for the leaves. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, and then since it's a palm tree or a coconut tree, you might hear it called. Palm tree, coconut tree. I'm going to color that in. I'm going to add my little coconuts on there. Now, I could add more. How could I add more details to my drawing? What could I do? I could add some ocean animals in the water, right? I could add me laying on the beach if I like to lay on the beach. Or if you like to build a sandcastle, you could draw that. If you like to play with a beach ball or play volleyball, you could draw that. So for now, I'm just going to leave that. So my favorite place I like to go is the beach. So I'm going to write the sounds that I hear in beach. And it's okay if I can't spell it all. Beach, b, B, E. What's it sound like, the letter I'm saying? It sounds like an E. To make an E sound, I'm actually going to do either an E or an EA. So it's actually an EA. All right, beach. What's my last sound? All right, beach. There's 2 letters that make a ch sound. It's actually called a digraph. It's not called a letter. It's called a digraph because we put 2 letters together to make a new sound. And some of you have already worked on the ch sound. Do you remember what 2 letters they were? If you said CH, you got it. All right, so beach, B-E-Ch, beach. So I'm drawing today places I like to go. Now, that's not the only place I like to go, but for my heart map, remember, this isn't everything you love. It's just some of the things you love. And it'll help you think of, oh yeah, beach, that's my favorite place. I can write about other places I like. What other places do I like? So when we're doing our heart map, it's not that's all you like. I'm sure you love to go to several different places. I also like to go to the mountains. Not as much as the beach, but I do like that. I also like to go to church. I also like to go to my friends' houses. I also like to just stay at my house. I like to go to the movies. I like to go to stores to go shopping. So those are some of the other places I like. Now, I can't fit every place I like on here. So I'm just gonna put my favorite so that when I look back at my heart map to try to decide what am I gonna write about today, I'll see, oh yeah, I like the beach. I can write about places I like. What other places do I like? So remember, when you're writing in your heart map, it's okay if you can't put all the places you like. I want you today to just pick your favorite place. Try to pick just one place that you love the most. And if it's school with Miss Nora, that's awesome. And if it's not, that's okay too, because you see, my favorite place is the beach, not school. But I do love school. That could be one of the places I write about another time. So you're gonna pick your favorite place. It might be a restaurant. It could be a place like Chuck E. Cheese, McDonald's. It could be a place like the zoo, the park. It could be the beach. It could be the mountains. It could be grandma's house, grandpa's house, your aunt or auntie's house, your uncle's house. So it could be anywhere. So think of a place you love to go, and that's what you're gonna draw in your bottom heart today, okay? So we can write about pets or animals, people, like family or friends, and places that you love. For me, it's the beach. All right, so pick your favorite place, think of it now, and today in your bottom corner of your heart, you're gonna draw your favorite place. All right, boys and girls, I'll see you tomorrow for one more lesson. Bye-bye.